You can learn trading strategies from experienced traders from Wall Street, and the cryptocurrency exchange is making waves with the recent release of a cryptocurrency Visa debit card. That's CoinW. I'm sure there are many of you out there who are wondering if there is such an exchange. It is what it is. I'm pretty shocked too. There are market analysts and people from Wall Street who share their trading strategies with us, and they share their signals with us really quickly. And what's really interesting is that they have events like hackathons for traders. Isn't it interesting? I've never heard of a hackathon for traders, but CoinW is already doing it. I'm sure one of the viewers watching this video right now will be in the CoinW trading hackathon, maybe in the future. I'm so surprised, but I think most traders study, learn, and trade by themselves. But CoinW is an environment where traders are not alone and can share trading information with other traders and professionals. I think it is very attractive that traders can learn together with other professional traders. So today, I will share some information about CoinW, a cryptocurrency exchange that is really making waves right now. Can you subscribe to the channel and hit the good button while you're at it? I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and click the good button while you are at it. Thank you very much. Let's go. First of all, it is very easy to open an account. This time, I will use my cell phone. You can find the link in my profile or by clicking on the QR code. Let's get started with the registration process. After entering your email address and password, click on the email verification code next to this. You will receive a 6-digit code at the email address you just registered. If you have already scanned the QR code, you will already have a referral code with a discount. My referral code, 2,309,568. Me only. You can get all kinds of scores, and there will be an event for this referral only. The information about this special offer will change a little depending on the season and timing. There will be discounts on commissions and tickets for increased investment interest that can be used for staking. Isn't that great? Please take advantage of my referral code. Now, click the button for registration here. Now you have successfully opened an account. What kind of cryptocurrency exchange is CoinW? We will now discuss what kind of cryptocurrency exchange CoinW is. Founded in 2017, and it is a leading cryptocurrency exchange with over 9 million users worldwide. It is the 15th largest virtual currency exchange in CoinMarketCap. It is one of the exchanges that is really rapidly and gradually improving its ranking. Transactions worth approximately 120 billion Japanese yen are conducted in 24 hours. It is really a major cryptocurrency exchange. Is there that many transactions? That's what it sounds like, isn't it? Let's take a look at what kind of experienced traders they have. Let's take a look. Please click on the Order a Copy link above this one. Then you come out at a place called Elite Trader. Mr. Boris here. In terms of rate of return, I would say 8%, a very low number. I think so, but he is a very steady, cautious, and stable trader. I think there are a lot of people who want to make millions of dollars in copy trading, or people who think that profits must be less than 100 T. However, there are traders like Mr. Boris who are steady traders. The appealing point of CoinW is that the spread is very small and the speed of execution is less than 5 milliseconds. Isn't that great? And the best part is that you can trade on both sides of the trade. Now let's click on Boris. Then you will see the information about Boris. It's very transparent. What kind of trades does he make in this place called statistics? What tokens does he prefer? You can also check his win rate in the data section. Let me tell you a little bit about how experienced a professional trader Boris is. I am a former hedge fund research analyst and trader. He has 10 years of experience investing in virtual currencies, both institutional and private. His extensive experience in leverage trading and technical analysis and his investment style means that he aims for medium to long-term and annual returns of 20–50%. Mr. Boris is amazing. He has been investing in Bitcoin for almost 10 years since he purchased his first Bitcoin in 2013. That means being a cryptocurrency enthusiast and analyst since 2013. I think you can see from what I have just said how much he has researched the market, how quickly he became aware of Bitcoin, and how quickly he started trading it. After all, Boris's trading is stable. I think this is the most attractive point of his trades. I have introduced Mr. Boris to you this time, but this virtual currency exchange is staffed with experienced traders from around the world in addition to Mr. Boris. I think CoinW is the only virtual currency exchange where you can really learn to trade from real specialists with a lot of experience. How do you learn trading strategies from these experienced traders? I think so. There is a live stream in the app. You can see them trading live inside here. It's wonderful. What points are they looking at and what are their trading techniques? It is possible to watch a live stream of their trades. So when are they entering at the entry points? I think this is useful for learning for beginners in trading. I'm looking at this point here. They will tell you that. It's wonderful, isn't it? After all, it is a video, so it is very easy to understand and watch. This is not only one, but a playback also exists. Past videos that were streamed live will be uploaded from time to time as needed. If you are already a trader or a beginner, learn from these videos and make your trading more powerful. Learn trading strategies from the pros by watching the live stream here. I don't trade right now, so it doesn't matter. If you're thinking, I don't trade right now, you're wrong. CoinW has a lot of staking and a very good APY. Let's take a look. The current popularity of Ethereum is showing, and the APY is 10% high interest rate. And this one is full, but USDT is 15%. This is also a high interest rate. Of course, you can get fixed-term staking, but we also offer free refundable staking. Bitcoin, 21 days, 60 days, and 180 days. Again, the longer you keep it in staking, the better the APY. As for this staking, I'm already a long-term holder. I won't touch it again for the time being. I recommend it to those who say, I won't touch it for the time being. I don't see such a high APY very often. Please check the APY of your tokens when you have time. It is very attractive. It is very fascinating. I think everyone has the same problem. Many people think that cryptocurrency is difficult to use in the real world. Right now, I think the mainstream is to send virtual currency to a domestic cryptocurrency exchange and convert it to your own currency. However, CoinW has recently launched the CoinW Visa debit card. We often hear about MasterCard for cryptocurrency, but Visa card is very attractive because it can be used in more stores than MasterCard. And this card can be created in any country. Until now, it would have been impossible to use virtual currency this flexibly and seamlessly, but with CoinW, you can use virtual currency in the real world. With CoinW, you can use cryptocurrency in the real world. You can shop around town with this CoinW card. It's revolutionary, isn't it? Let's take a look at the CoinW card. Here is the app. Click on CoinW card. The deposit rate is a whopping 2%. The low commission rate is amazing. 2% is unheard of even among other companies, usually 3% or 4%. So click the apply button now to create your CoinW card. What do you guys think of the application? It's very easy to see and use, isn't it? You can find more details about CoinW in the overview section. Please check it out. In this article, we have shared information about CoinW, a trendy cryptocurrency exchange that is making waves right now. How was it? There are many more attractions that I would like to share with you. My Twitter and Instagram stories carry the most up-to-date information. Please follow me. Your followings and likes are what support this channel. Please help me. Thank you again for watching to the end. See you again in the next video. Love you.